I'm still not used to framing this, guys, and when I'm not using the phone, it's got a little tiny screen on this thing, and it's actually a circular screen since it's a 360. So the screen's even smaller, so I can't really tell what I'm what I'm doing here. I'm gonna see how close-ups are on this thing. See how steady it can be. Outside today, even though the wind's kind of blowing, it's making it slightly chilly. Like I said, this is waterproof up to, I think it's like 30 feet. Clear and everything, but I think you ought to probably clean it off once you stick it in, you know, lake water or something. I'm extending it and making the stick shorter while I'm doing the video, so that way I could check the stability of it too. I think in 360 mode the stability is pretty much perfect, but in Steadicam mode like this here, I'm just not too sure. This is actually a lot bigger lake than what I thought here. I can tell you that something right now though, guys. I like this much better than the DJI Osmo Pocket. I think the DJI Osmo Pocket has a beat in video quality, but this thing just seems so easy to use, and it's about the size of a chocolate bar, you know. In fact, even a little bit not as long as a chocolate bar, but about the same width and everything. In fact, I think I'm going to change this back over to 360 mode for the rest of the walk back to the car. Because I'll tell you what, it's a long walk. I didn't think it was. The car is way over there. And I've walked all the way around the lake there. Hope that didn't make you guys dizzy. Okay, I think I'm going to change it to 360.